how to turn off or on birthdays notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open VK and then go to hub and now the story lines and then settings. Now go to notifications, scroll all the way down and here you will find the birthdays. And if you want to turn it off, just go to push notifications, go select off, and that's it. You can turn it off or on, or you can just select none here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.